Hey guys, for today's video, we are going to Bangkok, Thailand. So come and join me, let's go! Nakapasok na kami sa immigration and I was about to buy some drink, guys. So punta tayo doon sa open na coffee shop. Let's go! So, I'm here dito sa Coffee Bean, guys. So I'm ordering my drink and yung in-order ko is hot chocolate, guys, na less sugar siya. Here's my drink, guys. Not so sweet. So in a few minutes, sasakay na kami sa aeroplano. So see you. We're now here in the plane. So we're going now to Bangkok, Thailand. Super excited because it's my second time going to Bangkok, Thailand, guys. So see you later. We're finally here in Bangkok, Thailand, guys. So we're still waiting. Nandito pa kami sa immigration. So see you later sa aming mga ganap. We're now going to our hotel near Khao San Road. So see you later. So this is our room, guys, here in Khao San Road. So pinili ko siya kasi malapit lang siya sa Khao San Road, guys. Alam niyo na ba sa mga gala, pipiliin ko talaga. Okay naman siya, komportable. We're not here to stay at a hotel. We're here for the gala. So, ito yung room namin. And we have CR here. Yan. This is our CR. CR, guys. So, let the gala begin. It's our first day here in Bangkok, Thailand. And naglalantor kami ngayon. Hindi masyadong mainit today. I love it. I love the weather. Sasakay kami ng boat and pupunta sa temple, guys. Look at that! Pupunta kami sa temple. This is their pier here. Guys, nandito tayo sa The Big Buddha, Wat Phak Nam. Inconvenience for now. We're here in Wat Arun. The entrance fee is 200 baht. This is my view inside, guys. Get my view here. We are here in Khao San Road, guys. This is the party in Bangkok, Thailand. Look at that. This is my view here. So really nice here, guys. You should try to come here. It's our second day here in Thailand and we are going to Siam Paragon Mall. So let's explore there, guys. Kung anong mabibili natin and kung anong meron doon sa mall na yun, guys. Actually, it's my second time here in Thailand but ngayon lang ako nakapaglibot dito kasi the last time is hindi kami nakapaglibot, guys. So let's explore the mall today. So see you later. So this is their mall, guys, Siam Paragon. We're going to the second floor for women's bags and shoes. Paakyat tayo, guys. Welcome here at Siam Paragon. Guys, the House of Little Bunny. Itingin tayo ng bag, guys, kung anong bibili natin for today. Ito yung napili ko, black, kasi walang purple na dark. Gusto ko sana yung dark purple. So this is my second choice, the black color. So magbabayad na tayo, guys. Let's go! We're going to pay now. Kakabili tayo. This one. In the House of Little Bunny. Get that. This is the one of the signature bags here in Thailand, guys. So happy! Habili tayo, guys. May dream bag. So guys, tapos na tayo sa Siam Paragon. And now, pupunta tayo sa Pratuna Market. So Pratuna Market, guys, is very famous daw doon. Yung mga clothes and many more. So let's go! Guys, we're now here in Pratuna Market. Look at that. May view here. Daming binibenta dito. Oh my God, anong unahin natin? Which one? Welcome to Pratuna Market. Ang daming binibenta nila, guys. Grabe. Super dami, guys. Oh my God. Here. Welcome to Pratuna Market. Update, guys. We're done here at Pratuna Market. Oh my God. Oh my God, ang daming bilihin. Grabe. Mauubos yung pera nyo dito, guys. If you will go here in Pratuna Market, sobrang dami naming pinamili. So guys, nandito tayo sa Central World na street food area. Dito, pasukin natin yung street food nila. Let's go check it out. Welcome here at Central World Street Food, guys. Mag-ikot-ikot muna kami dito sa Central World Street Food. Grabe, nabubulo na ako. And marami silang dito, souvenirs din. Ito siya, guys. May souvenirs din dito. Dito sa kabila, more foods. Oh my God, ang daming foods. Mag-food trip tayo ngayon. Day here in Bangkok, Thailand, and we are going to Chatuchak Weekend Market. We're now here at Chatuchak Weekend Market. Ang ganda dito kasi aircon. Aircon siya, guys. We're going to explore dito, guys. Let's go! May nakita kong bags dito worth 100 baht each. Look at that, super cute! It's everything 100 baht here. Look at that, so cute. Look at the store. Hey guys, for today's video, we are going to the Chocolateville. And this is our last day here in Bangkok, Thailand. Come and join me, let's go. We're finally here in the Chocolateville. So tara, papasok na tayo. Ito yung one of attraction nila, guys. Para siyang Disneyland dito sa Thailand. So come and join me. Let's go inside! So guys, nakapasok na kami dito sa Chocolateville. The entrance fee is 120 baht each. Yung 100 baht, guys, is pwede nyo ma-use sa dine-in. Pwede nyo ma-use sa foods. Happy Halloween in advance, guys! staying here in Thailand, guys. I'm going back here soon. Sana with partner na talaga para mas enjoy. So that's it, guys. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys like it. If you like it, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell below para laging updated sa mga bagong videos. So see you on the next vlog, guys. Bye!